Hi, everyone. Welcome. It's so good to see you here today. I'm Blake, and I'm really happy you came to learn English with us.
And I'm Zara. We're so glad you're here. Please relax, take a deep breath, and get comfortable. Today, we want to make learning English feel warm and easy, like talking with two friendly friends.
Yes, and we know something important. Many English learners feel shy or nervous when they talk about health. And that's okay. It's very normal.
It's very normal. I remember one time, Blake, when I tried to explain a small health problem in English. I wanted to say, my stomach feels strange, but I couldn't find the words. I just said, my middle hurts? I felt so unsure.
I love that. And see, it happens to all of us. But when we learn simple phrases, everything becomes much easier.
Today, we will help you learn how to talk about how you feel, how to talk about pain, how to explain small health problems, and how to answer easy health questions.
Before we start, let's do a small warm-up. Zara, how are you feeling today?
I feel good, a little tired, but happy. What about you?
I feel great and relaxed. And you, watching this, how do you feel right now? Just think about it for a moment. So, Zara, you said you feel a little tired today. Why is that?
Honestly, Blake, I woke up way too early, like really early. The sun was not even awake yet. I couldn't go back to sleep.
Oh no, that happens to me too. Sometimes I wake up early and my brain says, "Good morning," even when my body says, "Please no." But you still look happy today.
Thank you. I do feel happy. I took a short walk this morning, and fresh air always helps me. It makes me feel calm.
That's nice. Today I feel good too. A little hungry, but good. I didn't eat breakfast yet.
See, everyone? We use simple phrases like I feel tired, I feel happy, I feel calm, I feel hungry. They are very easy. Listen, I feel tired. I'll say it slowly. I feel tired.
These small sentences help you talk about daily life. They help you connect with people.
And you, watching, how do you feel today? Maybe tired, maybe good, maybe a little stressed.
Whatever you feel, it's okay. Just notice it gently. You know, Zara, sometimes I get small problems like a headache. It's not serious, but it still feels uncomfortable.
Oh, yes, I understand. I get headaches too, especially when I look at my phone for too long. My eyes get tired, and then my head hurts.
Same here. And sometimes I eat too fast, and then my stomach feels bad. I think, why did I hurry?
I know that feeling. My stomach hurts when I drink coffee too quickly. A small stomachache can make the whole day feel slow.
So we can say simple things like, I have a headache, I have a sore throat, or my stomach hurts. Let me say that slowly. My stomach hurts.
Good. And we can ask each other simple questions too, like, do you have a headache? Or does your throat hurt?
What helps you feel better when you have a sore throat?
Warm tea. Always. Warm tea. It makes me feel safe.
That sounds nice. When my stomach hurts, I rest for a little while. Just sitting quietly helps me.
And you watching? Do you ever have these small problems? It's okay. Everyone does. We're all learning to talk about them together.
Let's talk a little more about pain, but in a very simple way. Sometimes we need to say exactly where it hurts. For example, I can say, my back hurts, or my neck hurts. Very short, very clear.
Yes, simple English is enough. You don't need long, difficult sentences. If your back hurts, just say, my back hurts. Let me repeat it slowly. My back hurts.
I like that. Easy and helpful. You know, last week I carried a huge bag of groceries, too heavy. The next day I woke up and said, "Oh no, my shoulders hurt."
Oh, poor Blake. But that's a perfect example. These small sentences tell people exactly what you feel, and people understand right away.
You can also say, "It hurts here," and point to the place. Very simple, very useful.
And please don't feel shy. It's okay to talk about pain in English. You're not doing anything wrong. Everyone needs help sometimes.
Exactly. Start small, start simple.
And you watching, if something hurts, try the sentence in your mind right now. My head hurts. My knee hurts. Just practice gently.
Now, let's talk about something that can feel scary, going to the doctor and speaking English. I remember once I went to a small clinic in another country. I felt so nervous. My hands were actually shaking a little. But the doctor was very kind and spoke slowly, and I felt better right away.
I had a similar moment. I was abroad, and I needed help for a small problem. I didn't know many words, so I said simple sentences like, my throat hurts, and I feel weak. And guess what? The doctor understood me. Simple English worked perfectly.
Doctors often ask easy questions, things like, "Where does it hurt?" or "How long?" You can answer with short sentences. Here, 2 days. I feel dizzy. Very simple.
And if the doctor speaks too fast, it's okay to say, please speak slowly. Let me repeat it. Please speak slowly. This is a very helpful sentence.
Staying calm helps too. Take a slow breath. You don't need perfect English.
Yes, don't feel afraid. Doctors want to understand you, and simple, clear words are enough.
We've talked about pain and small problems, but now let's talk about something happier, healthy habits. Simple things we can do every day to feel better. For me, drinking water is a big one. But I'll be honest, sometimes I just forget. I look at my empty cup and think, "Oh no, I did it again."
Yes, Blake, you always forget, but I love that you try. I like taking short walks. Even 10 minutes helps me feel fresh and calm.
I really like that. Walking is simple and free. And sleeping enough is important too. When I sleep well, I feel good the whole day.
Same here. And eating simple, healthy foods helps a lot. Even a piece of fruit can make you feel stronger.
What small habit helps you the most, Zara?
Drinking warm tea in the evening. It makes my body relax.
Nice. So we can say easy sentences like, I drink water, I take a walk, I sleep early. Let me say one slowly. I drink water.
And you watching, think of one small habit you want to improve. One tiny step can make you feel better every day.
Let's look at some very simple health words now. We'll go slowly, and you can practice with us.
First one, I feel sick. This means your body doesn't feel good. Maybe your stomach feels strange. Example, I feel sick after eating too fast.
Next, I have a headache. This means your head hurts. Example, I have a headache, so I want to rest.
Another one is, I have a sore throat. Your throat hurts when you talk or swallow. Example, I have a sore throat, so I drink warm tea.
Here's a very common one. I feel tired. This means you need rest or sleep. Example, I feel tired after work.
And one more. I visited the doctor. It means you went to a doctor for help. Example, I visited the doctor yesterday.
If you can, repeat these with us.
Yes, say them out loud at home. Practice helps you remember.
We're smiling right now because you're learning so well. Keep going.
Let's take a moment to go over what we learned today. We talked about how to describe how we feel using simple sentences like I feel tired or I feel good. We also talked about small health problems like headaches or sore throats and how easy it is to explain them.
Yes, and we learned how to talk about pain, like saying, my back hurts, or it hurts here. Very short, very clear. We also talked about visiting a doctor and how simple English can help you stay calm and safe.
You don't need big words. Simple sentences are strong and clear.
And you did such a good job today. Really, I'm so proud of you.
Yes, keep going. You are learning, growing, and getting more confident.
Believe in yourself. You can do this.
Before we go, we have a very simple question for you. How do you feel today? You can write your answer in the comments.
You can say something like, I feel good, or I feel tired, or I feel a little sick. Any simple answer is okay.
Don't worry about perfect English.
Just try your best, and we'll be happy to read your comments. And before we finish, if you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps our little learning family grow.
Yes, and your comments are important. Every comment is good practice for you, and it helps us understand what you need.
You are always welcome here. Come join us for more easy English lessons.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, you're doing great.